Wouldn't it be cool to be a zombie? You could start a plague, walk really slowly and live forever. In this video I'll show you how. First, add a toadstool to your cauldron. Some fungi are known to contain parasitic spores which activate zombie-like behaviour. Then drop in some rotten flesh. This can smell quite strong, so you might want to put a peg on your nose. Next, add in a small quantity of the T virus, a mutant strain of the progenitor virus developed by Umbrella Pharmaceuticals in the late 1960s. The next ingredient you'll need is a withered skull. Gently drop one into your cauldron. Then drop in a handful of marshmallows. And finally, to bring your cauldron to life, drop in a radioactive source. Your potion will start to give out an intense radioactive glow. This is perfectly fine. Stir well your mixture well. Then collection a small amount ready for drinking. Take a tiny sip of the potion and your transformation will immediately begin. It can be a little bit painful, but it is great fun to be a zombie, and it's really good for weight loss. Thanks for watching this week's video. I know loads of you wanted a video on how to become a zombie, so I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments below. We're coming into Halloween, so maybe some spookier potions, that would be cool. And make sure you subscribe, because I put a new video up every single Friday. If you subscribe and click the notify button, then you won't miss out. I'll see you next Friday. Bye.